Hey guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add videos or movies or TV shows to your watch list on Amazon. So I'm on Amazon.com, guys, and I'm currently signed into my profile. And if I hover over accounts and listen upper right hand side, under the account side, you will have something called watch list. If you click on that, this is basically going to take you over to the Amazon Prime, and guess what? You have all of those videos. It's currently on the watch list section though, but if you click, for example, movies or TV shows or whatever it is, right? Sports, whatever it is that you may click on, you'll be able to see all of those, right? So let's say I want to take this one here regarding the NFL, right? So let's say I want to go ahead and add this to my watch list. I can hover over it and just simply click on the plus. And once I hover over the plus, you can see it says watch list, and I can click on that and it's been added to my watch list. You can know that it's added to your watch list because it's now checked, right? So whatever it is, you can go to any category and you can just easily find whatever you want and simply add that to your watch list. So this one I want to my watch list, add it to my watch list. This one I want to my watch list, simply add that to my watch list. And that's it. And you can easily find your watch list. And afterwards, you can easily find your watch list by looking to the upper right hand side. You'll have something like a bookmark icon. If you hover over that, right next to your profile, you have the watch list. You can click on that watch list button there and it's going to take you to your watch list. And that's it, guys. Very easy and very simple.